Morning children, welcome back to your VPS e-learning class children. As you all know that yesterday we have completed up to the lesson poems The Snare. We have completed up to hard words. Today I am going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So students, you have to fill this exercises in your course book only with the help of pencil beta. And fill it properly, neatly, nicely. Don't use pen. Again and again I am saying, please don't use pen. And if you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. So you have to fill the exercises properly and after that read it one more time. So if you have feel any mistake or any spelling mistake, you can correct it properly. It is for your future. When you learn the exercises, it will be not be problematic for you. So you have to check the spellings also that you have filled it properly or not. Okay students, so let's begin with the exercise. Students, as you all know that yesterday we have completed the hard words of the poem The Snare. Today I am going to demonstrate the exercises of this chapter. So first exercise is write the singular form of the following words. First is worries. When we change it into the singular, we change like this. Worries is changed into worry. Okay. It will be changed into worry. Next is lorries. Lorries will change into lorry. Okay student. Lorry, you all know that carry the things. It is a small vehicle which carries the things from one place to another. So lorries is plural and lorry is the singular. Next is cherries. Cherries, you all know it is a fruit. So singular form of this is cherry. Cherry. Okay. Next is ladies. Ladies means more than one lady. So it will be changed into lady. 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 Next is lilies. It is a flower, you all know. Then when more than one or two lily, it is lilies. And when it is single flower, it is lily. Okay, it is clear now. So you all can change it like this as I have completed. Use only pencil to fill the book. Next is see if you can find the nouns which help to make these adjectives. First is healthy. Healthy, when we change it into the noun, it will change health. Okay. It will be changed like this. Health. You can change it like this. Next is strong. Strong will change into strength. Great will be same in noun also. It will be great. Okay. Next is beautiful. Beautiful, it is an adjective. When we change it into the noun, it is beauty. Okay. Beauty is the noun here. Next is weighty. Weighty change into weight. Okay. So you can change. These are all adjectives: healthy, strong, great, beautiful and weighty. We can change it like this. It is health, strong, strength, great, great, beautiful, beauty and weighty, weight. Okay students. Come to the next exercise. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Look at this sentence. The man fed the dog. In this, fed is a verb. Okay. The man fed whom? The man fed the dog. So it is object and it is verb. So it is called transitive verb. A transitive verb has a direct object. Always remember that a transitive verb has a object always. The direct object in the sentence is the dog. Now look at this sentence. The boys played, but no object is there. Only verb is given. The boys played is a verb. The sentence does not tell us what the boys played. So the verb played is called an intransitive verb. An intransitive verb does not have a direct object. Most verb can be used both as transitive and intransitive verb. Underline only the transitive verbs in the following. Meera played hockey. You have to underline the transitive. It is played. Okay. Come to the next. The boy swam in the river. It is swam is the verb here. Transitive verb. The man broke the stick. Broke is transitive here. I ate the banana quickly. In this, ate is the verb. The eggs in the basket broke suddenly. So, broke is the verb here. Come to the next. Underline only the intransitive verb in the following. One has been done for you. I have told you in the intransitive verb, object is not there. The children sang beautifully. How they can sang, where they can sang, it is not given. Na? So, sang is the intransitive verb here. Next is she spoke Urdu. So, in this, spoke is the, it is intransitive. Okay, it is not transitive, it is intransitive verb. Next is Amir closed the door. In this, closed is the transitive verb. So, you need no need to underline it because it is a transitive verb. Okay, students. Next is she danced all night. So, dance is the intransitive. I ate quickly. In this, ate is the intransitive verb. So, students, you all have to complete this in your English course book. Don't fill it into the or complete it into the copy. Only do it into the book with the help of pencil only, children. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also. Okay, students. So, complete it properly and learn the exercises. This is your homework.